At sa punto ito, makakausap po natin ang abogado ni Janet Lynn Napoles na si Attorney Lorna Capunan. Attorney, magandang tanghali. Si PR kang help po ito.
Hi, PR. Good morning.
Good morning, Attorney. Attorney, nakamusta niyo po ba yung inyong kliyente matapos niya isugod sa ospital?
No, because visiting hours starts at, for the family, it starts at 1 to 4:30, So, I understand that the husband and the family is on their way there. At babalitaan na lang kami. Because although the last time I talked just before this weekend, nagre-reklamo na nga siya about her condition, especially at night when she's left alone sa kwarto niya. Kasi feel niya yung anxiety niya at yung chest pains niya. So, the doctor naman there, I understand, is very competent. According to Mrs. Napoles, she has confidence in the doctor there who, when necessary, talks to her own doctor. Pero itong sudden rushing to the hospital indicates na na siya ng early morning, na talagang may above the ordinary na nangyari sa kanya. So yun ang bini-verify natin. Unfortunately, hindi natin makontak ang staff ngayon. So we're waiting for feedback from the family.
Pero attorney, well, kasi ang nabanggit nyo, chest pains over the weekend, may kinalaman din to doon sa, yung isinugod kasi siya kanina, sabi nila may bato doon sa daluyan ng kanyang ihi. So, konektado pa po ba yon?
I think I'm not sure na because nagda-diabetes rin siya, no? Siguro I really don't know. I cannot guess, no? But let's wait for the opinion of the doctor.
Pero attorney, hindi ho ba kasi yung iba po nagdududa na baka bahagi ito ng tactics or paraan lang ng kampo para hindi matuloy yung pagpunta ni Mrs. Napoles sa pagdinig ng Senado. Ano pong reaksyon nyo dito?
Well, I have never, ever in the start asked for hospital care. Because alam ko na nag-admit the hospital as a convenience excuse for everything, no? Itong rushing to the hospital at early morning, that was a judgment call nung doctor niya on. Hindi naman rinash dito sa understand she was rushed to the nearest hospital there. But based on the news report, but saka I don't think it is kind or fair, to say the least, na ang tagal-tagal na namin doon. Kung gusto namin mag-hospital arrest, di sana matagal na namin sinabi yun. Yung condition niya is very alarming. Kasi kung bato yan, bagong condition yan. And baka nag-complicate na with her diabetes or it is not a normal living condition.
Pero masasabi po ba ninyo, attorney, at this point, kung makakadalo or hindi yung inyong kliyente doon sa November 7 na session or pagdinig ng Senado?
Nasa opinion niya ng doktor niya, yung attending doctor niya dyan sa Fort Santo Domingo, nasa opinion rin niya nung kanyang regular doctor sa St. Luke's. Plus, I think the Senate has the ability to send a Senate doctor doon kung to validate na yung condition. Yun naman ang ginagawa ng Senado, no? Pag ginagamit yung health reasons, nagpapadala naman ng Senate ng kanilang doktor. At I understand when Senator Dingona, the chair of the Blue Ribbon Committee, was interviewed, sabi naman niya kung magtutugma yung opinion ng Senate doctor, yung kanyang doctor, yung doctor on site, we must respect that opinion as per medical condition. I think there is a public interest still involved in keeping her well and alive so she can testify when that day comes in the Ombudsman at the San Miguel Bayan.
Pero balikan ko lang, attorney, because you mentioned kanina na it's unfair to think na hihiling kayo agad na hospital arrest dahil sa nangyari. So sa ngayon, wala ho kayong balak?
No. I have never made that statement, no? And I never did, and I will not make that statement. Kasi hindi naman that is not a legal issue. That is an issue left for her doctors, to the competent doctors, to recommend kung ano yung nararap sa health condition niya.
Mhm. So hihintayin nyo na lang kung ano magiging rekomendasyon, attorney?
Yung doctor, doctor siya yung kanya attending doctor because may history nga yung family niya. No? Her father had a heart attack and passed away. And also, this is complications that only a doctor, her attending physician can comment on.
Alright, attorney, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Si Attorney Lorna Capunan, abogado ni Janet Lim Napoles.